Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make journal entries in Tally ERP 9. First, from the gateway of Tally, select Accounting Vouchers. Then, choose F7 for Journal from the button bar on the right. This opens the Journal Voucher entry screen, where you will record your transactions. It's the foundational step for accurate financial record keeping within the system, ensuring every financial event is properly documented. Now, let's input the transaction details. First, select the ledger account to be debited and enter the corresponding amount. Next, choose the ledger account to be credited and input its amount. Remember, for every journal entry, the total debit amount must always equal the total credit amount. This fundamental accounting principle ensures your books remain balanced and accurate. After entering the debit and credit details, it's crucial to add a clear narration. This brief description explains the purpose of the transaction, providing vital context for future reference. Take a moment to review all the entered information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, press Enter to accept the voucher and save your journal entry into the system. To review or modify past entries, navigate to the display menu from the gateway of Tally, then select Daybook. Here, you can see all your daily transactions. Find the specific journal entry you wish to alter, select it, and make any necessary corrections. After making changes, remember to accept the voucher again to save your updated entry.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.